How to close all running apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone's home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. From the bottom edge of the screen, swipe up and pause in the middle of the screen to open the app switcher. Here, you can view all your recently used applications. To close an app, simply swipe up on its preview card. If you want to continue using an app, simply tap on the preview card and you will easily be able to use the app. Continue to swipe up on its preview card until all the apps are closed from the app switcher. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily close all running apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.